Okay, let's start with SPY. SPY is very close to this SMA 200. This is our only value I'm just worrying now. So if we get the support around this value, 658 or 659, I'm expecting the bounce. Yeah, I do have some puts I'm swinging because it closed below this, previous low. I thought it will free fall, but yeah, SMA 200 first time touch after so many months, right? So I don't think it will easily drop anything below. So if there is any drop before market tomorrow, and at the opening, I'm going to close my puts and I will wait for the confirmation on the market. If it spikes, then it's the April puts, right? I will forget them for a week or two, and I'll see how the market reacts from here. Because unless the war official statement is there, the war is over. There is no rush to close the puts in the losses. But apart from that, SPY, the weekly looks very ugly. You see lower low, lower low, lower low continuously 3 weeks. And the only hope here at this point of time is like SMA 200. If it doesn't hold, then 650 is inevitable. So that's my analysis on the SPY. And the Qs also almost same structure. The bad thing is my indicator is telling the momentum in the puts is increasing. I mean, downside it's going really fast. So you see it's very hot. But this one already touched a couple of times, the SMA 200. But it's a bit QQQ will go down and the SPY will stay there. It's definitely not the scenario. And oil is the only sector I see which is going really strong. So apart from that, everything is in bearish momentum. So if it doesn't hold this SMA 200, my next level is 580 for the QQQ. IWM right at the support. Maybe it can drop another, 4 to 6 points. As Fed meeting is there, if we hear any dovish statements from Fed, that will be a big boost for the IWM. We can actually go for some 270 calls for the IWM somewhere around June time frame. That's what I'm looking for. But the only thing is we should keep some room to average if it comes to the 240 level. If it doesn't hold the 240, then it will take a lot of time for it. But if you see, it's exactly at the trend line, okay, and it has not gone lower low here. That's 244.5. If we load, we can keep $1 downside. We can keep the stops at this 244.8, and we can book the losses if it doesn't go reverse here. But it's a good chance to reverse due to this Fed meeting. So this is about the IWM. Let's see the VIX, how VIX is doing. I surprised on the Friday VIX was not spiking, but market was going down. VIX broke this level last time what we discussed and again came for the retest. It is still holding above this 26. As long as it is above 26, I'm still bullish on the VIX, that eventually bearish for the market. So as we have multiple catalysts, right, that's not that easy. We can predict that direction before the week. So expect a lot of volatility this week. And what's next in our list? Let's see gold, Bitcoin. Let's start with the gold. Gold also losing its momentum slowly, and it's making lower lows. I wouldn't rush to buy anything in the gold. So at least it is going to touch this 452 soon, SMA 50. That's the next support I see for the gold. It looks like Bitcoin has some momentum here. Today it was 1.35% up, but as I said in the past, I'm still looking for the 74 to completely change the momentum of the Bitcoin. So as long as it's below this level, now it is forming the trend, also nice trend here. But I will be considering any Bitcoin or Bitcoin related stocks once it cross this level 74 and hold it at least for 1 or 2 days. That's where I see the value in the Bitcoin. Let's see how China is doing before we jump into the large cap. Okay, China is yeah, it just broke down. I think it went for the retest. I don't see even great setups here. Still, it is in the bearish. I wouldn't consider anything below 37.5 China stocks to pick. So China is going to be either consolidation or bearish momentum this week.